What is that wobbling over there?
It's this hitting the plastic.
Okay.
She said, "Aww."
Can't believe how much you can drink. It's delicious. I think I'm in love.
I know I am.
Some fresh watermelon. We'll find out if you like it.
I'd rather have a mealworm.
It doesn't have a mealworm in it. That's gotta hurt. That's gotta hurt.
You would think.
Oh yeah, this
Oh.
is
Look at his.
that charger's better.
It's faster.
Yeah.
Perfect. That was a lot of itches.
Hey, Bear! Hey!
Oh, it just makes me nervous for his foot.
Okay. Everybody, hi! It's night time for you.
It is night time for you and sister.
They're totally not taking naps. They'll sleep till 7:30.
Keep them up.
Yeah, I would think so. 4:30, buddy.
We might. It's 4:30.
Early
Hadley,
bedtime.
stop. Hadley, stop.
Well, late bedtime didn't keep them asleep any longer.
Baby,
that's for
mommy's
sure.
sitting on it. I need it. I'm sorry.
He's stressing me.
Hadley,
Maybe
I
bath
need
time
to-
sooner than later.
I would love
Let's
to give
go,
him a
Amanda. How
bath.
fast you run?
After being
Go back there. Go to
one-
the chair.
pet
Go to
store.
the chair. Go to the couch.
Google bat bathing a hedgehog.
Are you ready?
Whoa, those are
Watch
some
this,
man parts.
Amanda. 1, 2, go!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's a
Oh,
boy.
you were getting a different view from
Yeah.
behind, weren't
Told
you?
What?
He has man parts.
He does. He's a he.
Mommy, I want some Cheetos.
When he stretches his leg out like that, they're like,
I want
boom.
some Cheetos.
It all hangs
Boom.
out for the world.
Mommy, I want some Cheetos.